morning. Today we have gym.
Yep.
We're gonna hit the Muay Thai gym we went to before, and hopefully the person that actually has the information as to what costs are and everything for monthly and all that jazz is there. And then we'll hit the beach. We'll chill during the day, and we're gonna check out the Jomtien Night Market.
Yeah, Saturday night, and it's the first time we'll be going there, so we're pretty keen to check it out. It's always pumping.
There's like a little thing at the front, it's like a little dance floor, and there's always kids dancing to the stupidest music. So
yeah,
I mean,
join in.
Yeah, Sarah, join in.
Yep.
I'll get some film, and you can laugh at our expense.
Yep.
Some things you just can't escape from Australia.
I kind of miss the big cans bar.
Yeah, that's it, eh? You get energy drinks, and this one tastes the same as the Australian, but it's like half the
so
size.
good.
And then this one is an M150, which is just like a Thai brand of energy drink, but it's more syrupy. It's not, I don't know if it's even carbonated. I think it's slightly carbonated, but it's mostly just syrup. The original Red Bulls are the same, and they're just like, they're not carbonated. They still have them in cans here, but they usually sell the little glass bottles of original Red Bull, which I don't mind the taste of, but if you've never had a original Red Bull before and you're used to the regular or the Western Red Bulls, you're going to be in for a bit of a shock.
Yeah, so syrupy.
Yeah, and it's not quite as refreshing, I think, on a hot day having a syrupy drink as opposed to a carbonated, more liquidy drink, but
Gym done. Now we're going to the beach to wash off the sweat.
yeah.
But I actually quite enjoy that gym. Like, it's quite nice working out barefoot outside.
Yeah, it is, eh?
Yeah.
It's on some nice fake grass, and
Yep.
hasn't been busy, and 2 times been there, so
Yeah.
yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. Nice people there too.
Yeah.
Definitely thoroughly enjoying this morning routine. So going to the gym and then hitting the beach pretty much straight after. It's so good. You feel good for the rest of the day because you've got some exercise in, and then just getting a bit of sun afterwards. It just sets you up to feel great for the whole day. So. Oh, it's a dog. Some funny things happening on the beach pretty much every day when we come down here. Like right now there's a couple, they look like they might have got married and they're doing a photo shoot. I don't know, I'll point the camera towards them and show you.
Good morning, guys. It is 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
We're on our way down to Jomtien Night Market.
Yep, on the beach.
Yep.
Thought we'd leave. It's Saturday. We're coming down a bit earlier, so hopefully we get the prime real estate on the beach road, looking out to the beach, and then also close to the dance floor, because we really want to see some sick moves. And we've been past it tons of times, and every time we've just seen some absolute just fire.
Yeah.
haven't we?
Pretty glad we came down early. We got a couple of seats right on the road where we wanted to sit so we can watch people and watch the traffic.
What's up?
We changed seats. We just get our food. So I ordered red chicken curry, but she gave me green, which is still good. I love green curry, so not complaining.
And I asked for chicken and rice, and she gave me chicken and rice.
Let's go.
Chicken, I can't remember what it was.
Yeah, it looked good, but.
Oi.
Oi.
Yeah, it's really good.
Is
It's
it?
like, I thought for a second there, I thought I was going to be getting hit with some real spice, and I was like, fuck. Prepped myself, but she passed, so that's cool.
Nice.
Good.
I'm so hot. It's hot. Tastes fucking good, but it's so nice.
It's just hot.
It's really hot. It's steaming. Yeah.
Spice wise?
Spice wise, not hot. Like green curry is just really tasty, but just gotta wait for it to cool down a bit. So we're just gonna walk around the markets a little bit more. I kind of feel like eating something sweet.
So we just hit the night market in Jomtien, and there may be bigger, better ones, more variety, but that one was pretty sick for us, I think.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go back there for sure. I got some mango sticky rice too, and it was so good.
With blue rice.
Yeah.
It's good because there wasn't too many people there, and you could get a seat, you could like go get some food, and it wasn't absolutely packed. I saw like a couple of places that had like 3 or 4 people in line. It's really close to where we are, and there's a couple of dogs, maybe 2, 3, maybe even 4 dogs that call that their home. So that's
They're so
like
smart. Yeah.
that's an extra 10 points there. So we'll definitely check it out in the future, and when we do, we'll try to bring you guys along.